What's going on, guys? Big Dave here with Max Lemon Adventures. Heading to Don Pedro today in this crazy old weather. See, I got the kayak in the back, fishing gear. It's gonna be a wet, wild day, so I'll keep you guys updated. All right, have a good day, good morning, and I'll see you guys soon. Yes, guys, I'm gonna be fishing in these conditions. First time ever fishing in snow. Let's do it. How freaking cool is this? Moccasin Point, Don Pedro Lake. Man, I'm stoked. This is super cool. No pun intended. Man. I'll actually be over there by that bridge later. Just want to show you what I'm about to enter. How sick is this? The Titan 12 all ready to hit the water. Yep. About to go in this. Alrighty, guys. I want to hurry up and get on the water. I want to enjoy this day. Later. So beautiful. 14 and a half. First fish of 2019. Starting to get little bellies on them. Oh yeah. Okay. Going down. Alright, guys. I am caught, as you can see, between a hail and a snowstorm. It is coming in, and it's coming in fast. Over here at Don Pedro. I gotta catch these fish. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord, look at that. That's rolling in fast. Whew. Yep. Woo-wee. I am fishing in some snow. I'm in a snowstorm. As you can see, yeah. So let's do this. It's cold. It's getting a little crazy out here. Let's get back. Get some video. Yep. All right. Fish. It's a keeper. Yeah, it's too damn cold for this shit. Oh, you shouldn't. Here we go. Alright, guy. To the dead.